At the moment, around 54% of all our orders are affected by Clerk. My name is Julian Fechtner, and I'm the owner in the second generation of Fechtner Modellbau. And my task is the IT department, the operational department, and a focus on developing Fechtner Modellbau to the next step with automations, with AI-driven topics. Fechtner Modellbau is a special retailer in the RC model market, specialized in trucks and excavators. My father founded this company in 1994, and we focus on a very deep technical constellation. This means we know our assortment very well because my father has this as a hobby. And we offering a high availability. This means we have short delivery times, and also we offer all products which are modular. This means from a very small resistor till a very big kit. We started pretty early with simple order forms and collected orders and submitted them to suppliers. And this was a kind of proof of concept in the early stages of the e-commerce market. As we saw this works, we started with our first very basic e-commerce store. In Shopware 5, we developed a huge assortment. We started with assortment around 500 products. Now we have around 11,000. And with a major release update from Shopware 5 to Shopware 6, we have a very well organized online store where we try to fulfill the needs of the customer as well as possible. Because of our very huge assortment, we know more or less exactly which part is used for everything. And when a customer is entering our online shop, often he knows what he wants to achieve, but he does not know exactly how he can achieve it. Back in 2024, we were searching for a product discovery solution. That's why we found Clerk.io. Clerk was aligning very well in our overall IT strategy. This means it has some clean integration in our Shopware 6 store. At the moment, around 54% of all our orders are affected by Clerk. This means on the one hand side with the Omni search, and on the other hand side with the recommendations. This is not just an KPI where we can rely on, but we see very well how big the impact of Clerk.io is in our online shop. We have multiple touchpoints where we have Clerk.io implemented. The biggest implementation is our AI-driven Omni search. In this, the customer is putting in what he needs. The AI search we were adding in place with Clerk.io before had two steps where a customer gets short overview, but when they entered the search query, they came to a static restock page. And with Omni search, the customer journey was shortened with one step. Our aim is to deliver exactly the product he is searching for. The data we are getting from Clerk are very well. We have on the one hand side our search inputs, which search queries are performing pretty good. The insights, how customers are interacting with our assortment are very well, and therefore we can make better decisions for our internal processes. We can prioritize articles, and we also see trends. When a different merchant is standing in front of the decision regarding product discovery, I would always recommend to keep in mind that this is a long-term decision. This means when you implement Clerk.io, you will not have 1 week or 2 weeks later boosting sales, or there will no customer have any question which is very basic anymore. This is not like this. You have to work with the data, you have to interact with Clerk to put your knowledge about your assortment in the data to have the best result for the customer, that exactly the customer needs are matched and the right product is delivered to the right customer. Our experience with Clerk.io was very well from the start. We were very well informed, and in general we see that our customers are better informed. This means we get less simple questions to articles because Clerk is handling it. And we see also that the overall shopping experience when we're talking to customers is getting better and better. This is a very good insight for the future.